Very small, man. You know what is this?
Itu mic lah tuh.
Mic like a
Cover.
yeah, windshield listeners. It will be fixed on my microphone. Thank you.
Butuh case-nya obviously.
Good morning, people. What a beautiful day, beautiful morning. Plan to go for a short ride. You can see beautiful Kohima. This is Kohima flooded with clouds, making beautiful. It have rained badly in the morning. I hope it won't rain when I'm riding. I'm planning to go to Botsa. I haven't rode towards that area for a long time, so I actually wanted to go to Malgate, but I wasn't sure if I'll be able to cross the state. So I thought I'll go to Botsa and have my breakfast there. That's my plan today. It just rained in the morning and wet the floor. I'm not sure if the rain would stop me to ride. If not, plan to ride to Botsa for a while and return today itself, of course. We all have to return to our home. It's been almost 2 months that I haven't rode, except just got a short spin in my village, but never went out of Kohima town, I mean. So took this time as an opportunity just refresh me in the morning. Whenever I go for a spin like this, let's bring such a refreshing, such a renewal. That's what I always encourage many of you to do the same. In fact, many people, they enjoy life different ways, but for me, motorcycle has been a great companion. So motorcycle and me has been always been a part of my life. So here it is, High School Junction. Botsa যাব নাকি এনেকৈ এনে ৰাইড কৰিব ভাবি কেনে ওলাই গৈছিলে জলদি উঠিছে বাইকটা ক'তে আছে চলাইছে আজিকালি হয় অ'কে হা এইটোতো 38 দিছে অঁ হা হয় 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 কোন লগা আছে হেল্ল' ঐ বচ্চা তো 40 মিনিট নিচিনাই লাগিব জাজো তো বাইক বি নাকিনা হৈছে নেক্সট ইয়াৰ কিনিব কৈ আছে এটা বোলে চব বল আছে না স্কুলখনতো চব বন্ধ চলো কিলে হাল্লা কৰি আছে তাক কৈ আছে কিলে ইমান টাইম লাগি আছে কৈ ঠিক আছে লগ পাব দে অঁ So good to meet a friend. Let's ride together. We have the Himalayan. We call him Kankan. The time will come back that we will all ride together again. Person who have the passion for motorcycle, they will always ride, whatever it is. Wow, you can see how beautiful is the terrace cultivation here. You call terrace cultivation or zoom cultivation? I'm not sure. Doesn't matter to me. It only matters that I get a rice. But that's not my beautiful. It's beautiful. A lot of labor. But they always get the fruit. That's right. Nice. I'll take a photo. Sumi Rice Hotel. Let's see what they got. I see there. Ki pawo na? Kunu pawo? Huh? Kaula. Oh, cha khan. Cha na pawo na? Alap samne na? Acha, thik ase. Thank you. You only get rice here. I don't need to eat rice now. I'm returning home because the shop that I want to have chai is still closed. I think it's too early. Oh, many people business are down these days because of the lockdown. But there is a thin line between livelihood and life. We need to maintain that, especially for people who are doing business, eat their food on a daily basis. I think we should be considerate to such kind of people who are in that kind of profession. So my prayer goes for those people, especially people who are paying loans, their debts. They might be struggling a lot. So we must be considerate. I couldn't have the chai that I love since it's closed. It's too early in the morning, I guess. So I'm returning home. You know the drill, what to do. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I'll see you later.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the bag like here I go again. Outside says chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions.